I hear a lot, and have looked myself at how it works on the Cash App, buying Bitcoin. What have you discovered in terms of the take-up rate here?
Yeah, thanks, Kelly. It was very interesting. We hosted a survey looking at consumer adoption this time of crypto in general on the Square and PayPal platforms. I can run through the summary with you, but in general, you can see there's a lot of pent-up and active demand for crypto for both these companies.
So your takeaway would be that the stocks have run up tremendously, both because of the pandemic, but also because of their exposure to Bitcoin. And you think that they still could have quite a tailwind from that?
Look, we think that there's upside to both stocks. Is it crypto related? Perhaps. The companies Square historically has the mind share and the customer base in crypto. They adopted it 3 or 4 years ago, and they have a lot of revenue from it, though at a thin margin. Now, PayPal really just announced their crypto initiatives in the last 4 to 6 weeks. There are differences in the initiatives of the two companies, but right now Square has the more economics from crypto than PayPal. PayPal's more on the come, but there are differences like I described.
What would you say is the most important finding for investors?
Well, I would say all right, let me just run through some of the things you might find more intuitive. So about 13% of those that we surveyed indicated that they have used the Square Cash App to purchase Bitcoin. The interesting thing is, though, that 22% of those surveyed indicate that they have now seen or heard of the PayPal initiative in crypto. 39% of those surveyed say they think more favorably of PayPal now that it's offering crypto functionality. And this is in terms of the differences in the strategies. 53% of those that we surveyed indicate that they would like to use crypto if they own crypto.
Right.
Checkout. So what's that about? You can fund your PayPal account with your credit card, with your debit card, or with your checking account. This would be an additional funding source, so you could actually buy and sell stuff, goods and services at checkout with your crypto assets, if that makes sense.
It does, and I think what you're saying is that not only has access to crypto been an important part of what users are already looking for, but the numbers are small enough that it could grow significantly from here. As high as Bitcoin is now, you can think about maybe a whole new field of people getting involved and maybe doing it this way. James.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.